Hey, Shalom, Sister Kate here. This morning we are getting ready to smoke some brisket that's going to be beef bacon for our Sukkot celebration. We're going to have one night that is breakfast for dinner, and all the different people in the congregation are donating different parts of the meal. And so I had already bought a brisket. In talking to other people and trying out beef bacon, you can tell it needs to be a meat with a lot of fat on it. And I immediately thought of brisket. So we bought a brisket, brought it down here, and then a sister volunteered to do the brining. So she looked up the recipe, and it was supposed to be brined or salted until it didn't sweat anymore. So she did that, and then she gave it to us, and now we are doing the smoking part. So I'm gonna unwrap this little thing. It's very heavy. I don't know how many pounds of bacon this is gonna make, but this is heavy. So I'm thinking at least 8 pounds. She wrapped it really well because it's the first time for both of us in doing this process, and she told me she didn't want to mess it up. So we've been handling this like it's made of gold or something. I'll pick that up later. So then this one's going to go on the top. That one's on the bottom. And then we have I forget what kind, master built smoker here. So we have already put the hickory chips in the bottom. And then there's a pan that you put the water in. We've already done that. This is only the second time we've used this smoker. Yeah, this smoker's working. That smoke smells delicious. Oh yeah, that's going to be awesome on that bacon. Okay, so we leave it in here for at least 2 to 3 hours, and the meat needs to get to 150 degrees. 175 is what we'll set it on, and I'm pretty excited about this. I can't wait to try the first time we make beef bacon, because the whole bacon deal is just, it's smoked and it's been salted. My fingers, from touching the smoker. But it's just salted smoked meat, and you can salt and smoke anything. So why not beef brisket? Okay. All right, y'all. See you out there.